One of the reasons that the Cascade-Siskiyou National Monument was set aside and protected is because of the high levels of biodiversity here. Of particular interest is the butterfly and moth biodiversity, which is at one of the highest levels of anywhere within the United States. There are over 120 species here, which is maybe more than I've seen in my whole life. Of particular interest is the mardon skipper in the Hesperaidae family. It's about the size of a quarter, is mostly orange in color with a little bit of brown and white spots, and it has little club-hooked antennae that curve back along its head. They have one life cycle per year, and they only live about 5 days to 2 weeks. Their larvae depend on native grasses in order to feed, and so it's very essential that those native grasslands get preserved. Additionally, their habitat needs to be between 4,500 feet and 5,100 feet. They need a grassland area within a conifer forest or meadows with at least water standing during some part of the year. They don't do well in the high non-native grasses, and so all these different requirements mean that their ranges are quite restricted. Some ranges are as small as an Olympic swimming pool, while others are up to 30 football fields large. In any case, they're quite an interesting endemic species, and we need to protect and preserve their habitat so they can continue to thrive.